there, April of Yes to Next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
Do you want to walk or run 20 minutes without a break?
Yes.
Yes, this is the workout to help you get off the couch and get started on achieving that goal. Now, it's 5 minutes of walking, and the goal with this workout is to just walk as much as you can.
Right.
If it's only 30 seconds, no problem. You just start there and you build up to 5 minutes. Once you hit 5 minutes with ease, you're ready to do more.
Right.
All right, so this is a nice way to ease into walking. All right, Mom, any thoughts?
No, let's go. We only got 5 minutes.
That's right. Okay, we'll take a quick pause here and get started. All right, so let's just get started by warming up.
Sounds
It's gonna
good.
move our body. Very important to warm up, to prepare your body to get moving, and also to prevent injury.
That's
okay?
right, yeah.
Get your joints all warmed up, get your muscles all warmed up,
Get your heart pumping.
get your heart pumping and blood flowing, okay? All right, let's give it some reaches to the side here. Breathe, everybody. Okay, good. All right, nice. Okay, and stop and shoulder rolls back, please. Good. Okay, and one more, forward, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so we're just going to start by marching it out, walking it out, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna walk forward and walk back. So
I
it's
can do that.
1, 2, 3, and touch, good. 1, 3, and back, okay? And touch, good. And it's important just to go at your own pace here, okay? Now,
That's right.
if we're going too fast, that's okay. You go at your own pace, but I want you to go forward and back if you can, okay? Get all these muscles moving, okay?
Wake up, wake up.
That's right, wake up is right. Okay, and good, and nice. And now that we're just gonna march it out, okay? For about 20 seconds here, okay?
Okay, get some
Just,
steps in.
you're getting your steps in, and you're getting ready to just ramp it up. Okay, I'm gonna give you another round, different set of walking, just to keep things interesting here. What we're gonna do is we're just going to 1, 2, 3 to the side and kick it. 1, 2, 3, and kick it, okay? And we're here for 30 seconds, okay? Yeah, just a little bit of side action here. But you're still walking
Yeah.
and you're
Get some
moving.
steps. Yeah.
Okay, so keep it going, you're looking good. Nice work.
It's good for
Breathe it out.
balance.
It sure is. You have to get that one leg up
Yeah.
and you're working on balance. Okay, good, keep it going. Breathe. And nice. Oop, I missed a step there. And good, and march it out. Okay, just march it out. Walking, this is kind of our freestyle walking period. Breathe. You might feel your body getting warm, which is a great thing.
Yeah.
Okay, very
good.
nice. Okay, so let me show you the next little move here. I just want
See
you to-
this? Get dewy.
That's right. We're getting our heart rate up. That's awesome. And all we're gonna do here is just gonna go heel, forward, and we're pulling our arms back.
Okay.
Heel, forward, and pulling our arms back. I really want you to pull your shoulder blades together here, okay? Yeah, working on that upper back muscles too while you're getting that lower body moving. Yeah. Okay, good. And as my mom said, this is also a balance move,
Yeah.
okay?
Very much.
Okay, so again, you go at your own pace. You might want to even go a little faster with this one, but you know, you choose your pace. Okay, it's all about just staying moving, listening to your body. Okay, and very nice. Okay, now just walk it out. Hey, legs, what do you think about that walking?
Yeah, I'm walking. It's good. My brain is waking up. It's saying, what are you doing?
Very good.
Coordination.
That's right. Coordination, waking everything up.
Yep.
Okay, keep it walking, but next move, all I want you to do is just step it back. Okay, we're just stepping it back like this. Okay.
Okay. I could do it.
Yeah, this is really engaging
Your core.
core. Oh yes, but think about what's happening here. You're engaging your glutes,
Yeah.
your hamstrings. Also, you're getting some ankle flexibility going there.
Oh boy, all that, huh?
Yes, absolutely. And that's all very helpful for walking as well. Okay, it's just another little exercise to get you going there. Okay, and breathe. You're looking good. Keep it going and walk it out. Okay,
All right.
We're walking again. We're walking. Okay. So
Doing good.
you're doing great. We're almost at the end here. Our
Okay.
last little 30-second round is just going to be walking, and I just want you to just do this and just give me some bicep curls.
Okay.
Okay. Arms up and down. Okay, that's it. Okay. Something different. All right. And okay, arms up and down. Okay, and just walk it out. Good. Now you might say, wow, this is really easy.
This is easy peasy.
Well, you know what? You might want to even pick up some little weights here if you wanted to.
Oh, that's true.
You know, you could if you
Light
wanted to.
weights, right?
Very light, very light. But that's your call. You know, we're just getting off the couch here, so we're going easy peasy, all right? And it's all about just keeping moving and don't stop.
Right.
Okay? And now march it out. Good work. It's our last little walking round. Okay, nice work. So this is kind of the end here of this workout. So how did you do? Check in.
Yeah.
See how you feel, okay? Take stock of like how your body feels, okay? And you know what? If this gets to be easy, then you are ready to do even more walking.
Right.
Okay, so good job. All right, nice work. Okay, so let's just cool it down now. Nice, gentle, easy, side to side. Side step touch, yes, good. Okay, good work. Congratulations on completing this 5-minute walk. You gotta start somewhere.
That's good.
Very proud of you.
You feel your heart rate go
That's
up.
right. Okay, stop the feet. Okay, give your arms up and down. Good. And if you can't get your arms up, just give me here. Okay. So arms, just a little bit. Good. And down. Okay, good. Nice work. Give me some nice little reaches to the side. Reach to the side. Reach to the side. One more. Very good. And stop. Give me those shoulder rolls back. Good. Good. And shoulder rolls forward, please. Good. And 3, and very nice.
Come here.
Great job on completing this 5-minute workout. Now, if this felt easy, you know, you're ready to move on to the next level. But if it was a bit challenging, keep doing it until it feels easy. All right, so if you like this video, please give it a like, share a comment, and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and love to help you get stronger. So I look forward to seeing you real soon, and in the meantime, keep moving.
See you soon.